Mana komakore e wechego mag SHA en riwruok mar lakteche ma KMPDU koro siro kanga mane jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale okawo mar chungo lesen mar tich mag lakteche mawuok e pinje ma oko ka thiedhogi e ute mopogore opogore mag ji giwegi pacho kae. Kotenegi kod jagoro maduong' mar riwruogno Davji Atela gilero ni lakteche mawuok e pinje ma oko emitiyo godo kod ute thieth mag ji giwegi e golo nyarogno piny e yo moko puodhi kaeto giuso. Ka koro gisani koro gidwaro ni KMPDU ochiw ler ewi kwan mar lakteche duto mawuok e pinje ma oko ma bende gisepuodho mondo ti pacho ka.
Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council must give a report of the foreign doctors they've employed, that they've licensed in the last 5 years. And the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Labor must tell us which specialties are not available locally, which doctors are not available locally for them to have those doctors on board. Number two, we are asking the Ministry of Labor that amidst this modern day slavery that is being imposed on these foreign doctors, what are they doing about it? Because we want to see the conditions, the terms of this engagement. It is on this backdrop that KMPDU today actually supports the action of the Cabinet Secretary on Duale to freeze the engagements of the foreign doctors, because we want this process to be vetted so that we see to it which are these doctors. Are there medical officers that are not being employed locally, and then those others are being imported at cheaper rates?
The process that the CS has begun of auditing the foreign doctors must continue to its end. I know the cartels will push back those who benefit from cheap labor. I know of private hospitals in this city who owe doctors 5 million, 2 million, 3 million from unpaid salaries. And when the doctor demands for the salary, they take you off the rota and bring somebody from Malawi. It's unfair. It's discouraging. It's immoral.
Mano kanyero sigana ewi mano wach mabende osebedo kaluore pacho ka mano mar kawo nyarogno mag dhano kendo iuso kuma bende